Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see Python inheritance. So how to use the base and derived class and what are the functionalities. We can see it now. So let me open idle. Okay. So before that, I'll also tell you what is the purpose of this. See, actually the inheritance is like class, parent class. We have to write it something here. Def display something like this. But after that, I'll say like class, child class, then pass the parent child as an argument here. So this is what the inheritance, and we no need to call this class, and we have to call it only this class is enough. Let's see. So I already created, sorry. So here I'm going to create, I'll zoom it, possible option. Okay, there is no zoomer. Let's see. Yeah. So now I'm creating a class, tutorial class, and then course name, print Python course. That's it. The class has been created, tutorial class. Now I'm going to create tutorial chapters. But here I'm passing the tutorial course as an argument here. Let's see this. Now I'm just going to call my class equal to tutorial chapters and then call my class. You can call only this one, right? Course fee. But using the same class, you can call course name as well. So this is what, because we already inherited the parent here in the child class. So we have already passed, right? So because of that, we are no need to create a class for this object for this. We are just creating an object for this child class and we are calling it. See, call my class tutorial chapters and we are calling both course fee as well as course name here. Let's see one more example in detail. So now I'm going to create, for your understanding, I'm going to create class and then here I'm just defining. So in that init I'm just defining self course name chapters. Self dot course name equal to course name, self dot chapters equal to chapters. We are calling it. Now I have to use display as well. In this display, I'm going to print whatever we are passing here. The same course name chapters we are going to print. Oh, okay. The indent is wrong. I'll just put it like this. Now the parent class is created. I'm going to create now child class. See, this is child class and passing this parent class here. And then I'm just simply defining view. But here I'm just mentioning only my parent class call like this. That's it. So now see this. Now I'm going to create my variable and then I'm calling only this class. What happened? Oh, okay, sorry. Because we have used init, so we have to pass it like two variables. Now see this. Python 10 chapters. Now call my tutorial dot, I'm going to say view. My parent class call. Now see this. The same thing I'm going to use it, but I'm going to use display. Now see this, whatever I passed here, it just called here as well. So it is inherit the parent class and put it in the base. derived class. So this is what inheritance in Python. See you in the next class. Bye.